Imagine waking up each morning with a knot in your stomach, the weight of financial worries pressing down on you. You scroll through social media, seeing friends celebrate their successes, while you feel stuck in a cycle of scarcity. This is a reality for many people. The struggle with money mindset isn't just a personal challenge. It's a common experience that can feel isolating. Countless individuals grapple with the conflicting feelings of wanting abundance while being held back by deep-seated beliefs about money. Perhaps you were raised in an environment where discussions about finances were filled with anxiety, or maybe you've faced setbacks that have left you questioning your worth. This struggle to shift from a scarcity mentality to one of abundance can feel overwhelming, yet it's a journey many embark on. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from these limiting beliefs? The journey of manifesting wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about rewiring your mindset to embrace the possibility of prosperity. By acknowledging the struggles we face and sharing our stories, we can inspire each other to cultivate a healthier relationship with money and unlock the abundance that's waiting for us. Let's take a moment to reflect on our financial journeys. Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about the life you want to create? Perhaps a cozy home, a fulfilling career, or the freedom to travel? The concept of manifesting money is all about turning those dreams into reality by aligning your mindset with your financial goals. It's not just about wishing for wealth, it's about actively shaping your thoughts, beliefs, and actions to invite abundance into your life. Manifesting money involves tapping into the power of positive thinking and visualization. Think of it as planting seeds in a garden. What you nurture and focus on will grow. When you set clear financial goals and visualize achieving them, you begin to shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. This shift is essential because our thoughts directly influence our actions and ultimately our outcomes. By embracing the practice of manifesting, you empower yourself to break free from limiting beliefs that may have held you back. Instead of thinking, "I can't afford that," you start to ask, "How can I make this happen?" This simple change in perspective opens up new possibilities and encourages you to take proactive steps toward your financial aspirations. Moreover, manifesting money is essential because it fosters a sense of gratitude and abundance in your life, which can attract even more wealth. When you celebrate small wins and recognize the abundance already present in your life, you create a positive feedback loop that draws in greater opportunities. So, whether it's through affirmations, visualization, or simply being open to new possibilities, manifesting money can be a transformative practice that sets you on the path to achieving your financial goals. Embrace this journey and watch as the universe responds to your newfound mindset. Picture this. You sit quietly in a dimly lit room, eyes closed, envisioning stacks of cash flowing into your life like a river. You believe that simply wishing for wealth will bring it to your doorstep, and yet, day after day, you find yourself staring at the same empty wallet. Sound familiar? This is where many people stumble into the trap of misconceptions about money manifestation. One of the most pervasive myths is that money manifestation is just wishful thinking, a fantasy reserved for dreamers who don't want to get their hands dirty. It's easy to see why this notion persists. Society often teaches us that hard work and effort are the only ways to achieve success. While action is undeniably crucial, the power of manifestation lies in its ability to complement your efforts, not replace them. It's not just about daydreaming, it's about setting intentions that propel you toward your goals. Another common misconception is that manifestation is solely about positive thinking. Sure, maintaining a positive mindset is important, but it's not enough to simply think, "I want to be wealthy," while ignoring the underlying beliefs that may sabotage your efforts. Deep-rooted fears and self-doubt can act like invisible chains, holding you back from pursuing opportunities. Real manifestation requires digging deep, confronting those fears, and transforming them into empowering beliefs that support your journey. Then there's the idea that manifestation is a one-time event. Set your intentions, and voila, wealth will magically appear. The truth is, It's a continuous practice. Just like building muscles at the gym, it requires consistency and dedication. You can't just visualize wealth once and expect it to flow in. You need to cultivate a mindset that seeks and recognizes opportunities every single day. Finally, many people believe that manifestation is all about material wealth. While financial abundance is certainly a part of it, true manifestation encompasses a holistic view of abundance, health, relationships, and personal fulfillment. It's about creating a life that resonates with your values and aspirations, not just accumulating dollars. So, as you navigate your own journey of money manifestation, remember, it's not about fantasizing without action or relying solely on positive thoughts. It's about harmonizing your mindset with purposeful action, confronting your beliefs and continually nurturing a rich, abundant life in all its forms. Embrace the process and watch as the world opens up to the possibilities you create. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast forest, filled with towering trees and hidden paths, each representing a potential future. You can choose your direction, but only if you have a clear vision of where you want to go. This is the essence of manifesting money, harnessing the power of practical techniques that guide you through the wilderness of financial possibilities. Visualization is like crafting a mental map of your destination. Close your eyes and picture your life filled with the abundance you desire. See yourself living in your dream home, enjoying financial freedom, or pursuing your passions without worrying about bills. The key here is to immerse yourself in the details. What does it feel like? What do you see, hear, and smell? By vividly imagining these scenarios, you create a powerful emotional connection that fuels your motivation and aligns your subconscious with your goals. Next, let's talk about affirmations. These are positive statements that can reshape your beliefs about money and abundance. Picture yourself standing in front of a mirror, repeating phrases like, "I am worthy of financial abundance," or "Money flows effortlessly into my life." At first, it might feel a bit awkward or even unrealistic, but consistency is crucial. Over time, these affirmations begin to replace limiting beliefs with empowering truths. They transform your internal narrative, shaping your reality one word at a time. Now, consider the importance of setting clear financial intentions. This is where you take that vivid vision and translate it into actionable goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," get specific. Define what wealth looks like for you. Perhaps it's saving a certain amount, starting a side business, or eliminating debt. Write these intentions down, making them tangible. This practice not only clarifies your desires, but also serves as a roadmap, guiding your actions and decisions. Moreover, don't forget the power of gratitude in this process. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you already have. Gratitude creates a positive energy that attracts more abundance into your life. When you celebrate small wins and appreciate the money that flows to you, you open the floodgates for even greater wealth. Finally, combine all these techniques with consistent action. Manifestation isn't just about dreaming, it's about doing. Seek out opportunities, network, invest in your skills, and take steps toward your financial goals. When you align your mindset with purposeful action, you create a powerful synergy that can transform your financial landscape. As you embark on this journey of manifesting money, remember that you are the architect of your own reality. With visualization, affirmations, clear intentions, gratitude, and action, you can carve a path through that forest, guiding yourself toward the abundant life you've always envisioned. Embrace these techniques and watch as the universe responds to your commitment and clarity. In a bustling city, where the hum of life is both energizing and overwhelming, lived a woman named Nicole. On the outside, she appeared to fit perfectly into the urban landscape. She held a stable job, had a cozy apartment, and a circle of friends. But beneath that facade, Nicole was drowning in debt, burdened by a scarcity mindset that left her feeling trapped and hopeless. Every month felt like a struggle, with bills piling up and dreams slipping further away. One evening, after yet another exhausting day at work, Nicole stumbled upon a podcast discussing the power of money manifestation. Skeptical yet intrigued, she decided to give it a shot. She began with visualization. Each night she would close her eyes and picture herself free of debt, living in a beautiful home and traveling to the places she had always dreamed of visiting. She imagined the feeling of financial freedom, the weight lifting off her shoulders, the joy of making spontaneous choices without fear. Inspired by her visualizations, Nicole turned to affirmations. Every morning she stood in front of her bathroom mirror, repeating phrases like, "I am worthy of abundance," and "money flows effortlessly to me." At first she felt silly, but as the days turned into weeks, these affirmations began to resonate within her. She noticed a shift in her mindset. Instead of feeling like a victim of her circumstances, she felt empowered to take control of her financial future. Next, Nicole set clear financial intentions. She wrote down her goals: to pay off her credit card debt within a year, save a specific amount each month, and eventually buy a home. She broke these goals into actionable steps, creating a budget and finding ways to cut unnecessary expenses. Inspired by her newfound clarity, she even took on a side gig that allowed her to pursue her passion for photography, bringing in extra income she hadn't imagined was possible. As the months passed, Nicole's life began to transform. She diligently practiced gratitude, celebrating each small victory, whether it was paying off a small debt or saving a little extra at the end of the month. The more she focused on what she had, the more abundance flowed into her life. Within a year, Nicole not only paid off her credit card debt, but also saved enough for a down payment on a small apartment. She had turned her passion for photography into a thriving side business, and her confidence soared. No longer burdened by the weight of financial anxiety, she found herself making choices based on joy rather than fear. Nicole's story is a testament to the effectiveness of visualization, affirmations, and setting clear financial intentions. By embracing these techniques, she transformed her financial situation and, more importantly, her mindset. What once felt like a dark tunnel with no end became a path illuminated by hope and possibility. Today, Nicole stands as a beacon of inspiration for others, sharing her journey and encouraging those still trapped in their financial struggles to believe in the power of manifestation. She knows firsthand that with the right mindset and actionable steps, anyone can rewrite their financial story and step into a life of abundance. As we reflect on the powerful journey of manifesting money, it's essential to weave together the threads of wisdom we've explored. Picture yourself standing at a crossroads, where each path represents a different approach to your financial future. The choices you make here can shape your reality, transforming not just your bank account, but your entire relationship with money. We began by delving into the concept of money manifestation, understanding that it's not merely about wishing for wealth, but creating a mindset that attracts abundance. This journey involves visualization, where you vividly picture the life you desire, immersing yourself in the emotions and sensations of that reality. By crafting a mental image of your financial goals, you set the stage for your subconscious to work toward them. Next, we discovered the transformative power of affirmations. By speaking positive truths about yourself and your financial potential, you replace limiting beliefs with empowering narratives. These affirmations serve as daily reminders that you are worthy of abundance and capable of achieving your goals. Setting clear financial intentions became our next focal point. It's crucial to define what financial success means to you, breaking it down into actionable steps that guide your journey. Writing down your goals creates a sense of accountability and clarity, providing a roadmap to follow. We also learned that gratitude is an essential ingredient in this process. By recognizing and celebrating the abundance already present in your life, you open the door to even greater opportunities. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, creating a positive feedback loop that attracts more wealth. Finally, we explored real-life testimonies like Nicole's inspiring story, which illustrated the effectiveness of these techniques in transforming financial situations. Her journey shows us that embracing a positive mindset and taking intentional action can lead to remarkable changes. As we wrap up, remember that maintaining a positive mindset toward money is not just an occasional practice. It's a commitment to reshaping your beliefs and actions. It's about nurturing a belief that abundance is not just possible, but inevitable. When you embrace positivity and align it with purposeful steps, you unlock the potential for a life filled with financial freedom and fulfillment. So as you stand at your own crossroads, take a deep breath, visualize your dreams, affirm your worth, set your intentions, and cultivate gratitude. The path to manifesting money is not just about the destination. It's about the mindset you carry with you along the way. Embrace this journey and watch as your financial landscape transforms into one of abundance, joy, and endless possibility. We've journeyed together through the fascinating world of manifesting money, and now it's your turn to share your story. Have you ever tried visualization, affirmations, or setting financial intentions? What challenges have you faced and what victories have you celebrated? Your experiences are valuable, and by sharing them, you not only inspire others, but also create a community of support and growth. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation about the ups and downs of manifesting money and how we can learn from each other. Remember, every story matters, and your insights could be the encouragement someone else needs to take that first step toward financial abundance. If you found this discussion helpful and want to dive deeper into personal finance and manifestation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more engaging content that empowers you to transform your financial mindset and achieve your goals. Together, we can unlock the secrets to abundance and create a brighter, more prosperous future. Your journey starts here. Let's take those steps together.